Did you know that acne affects a staggering 9.4% of the global population, ranking as the 8th most prevalent disease worldwide? For many individuals, especially those grappling with oily skin, acne becomes more than just a skin issue. It becomes a constant source of frustration and self-consciousness. The journey to clear, blemish-free skin can feel like an elusive quest, particularly when faced with the uncertainty of unpredictable breakouts. If you found these steps beneficial, consider subscribing to my channel. Understanding the relationship between oily skin and acne. Oily skin, characterized by an overproduction of sebum, often serves as a catalyst for acne development. Sebum, the skin's natural oil, can clog pores when produced excessively, creating an ideal breeding ground for acne-causing bacteria like Propionibacterium acnes. While oily skin certainly contributes to acne, it's essential to recognize that it isn't the sole culprit. Hormonal imbalances, genetic predispositions, and external factors such as cosmetics or medications can further exacerbate acne flare-ups. Importantly, not everyone with oily skin will experience acne, as individuals with dry or combination skin types can also face similar challenges. The importance of proactive skincare. Effective acne management often hinges on proactive skincare practices and the use of dermatologist-prescribed products. However, amidst a sea of commercial skincare options, the power of natural remedies readily available at home should not be underestimated. In the following sections, we'll explore 2 simple yet potent DIY treatments tailored specifically for oily skin, offering a beacon of relief amidst the challenges of acne-prone skin. Exploring simple pimple treatments for oily skin. Treatment 1, Lemon Juice and Honey Mix. Key ingredients and benefits. Lemon juice, rich in citric acid, lemon juice helps regulate oil secretion, unclog pores, and combat acne-causing bacteria. Its natural astringent properties assist in reducing inflammation and fading acne scars. Honey, with its potent antibacterial properties, honey aids in fighting acne-causing bacteria while restoring moisture balance to the skin. Additionally, its omega-3 fatty acids contribute to a radiant complexion and prevent whiteheads. Application method. Mix 1 spoonful of fresh lemon juice with an equal amount of honey to form a thick paste. Apply the mixture evenly to the face and neck after cleansing. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with cold water. Witness immediate reduction in pimples and a revitalized glow. Quick tip: exercise caution when using lemon juice, especially if you have sensitive skin, as it may cause redness and irritation. Treatment 2, Besan and Curd Face Pack. Key ingredients and benefits. Besan, gram flour, a staple in Indian kitchens. Besan is packed with proteins and vitamins, making it an excellent choice for oily skin. It effectively removes excess oil while nourishing the skin. Curd, rich in vitamins A and C, curd moisturizes the skin, keeping it soft and supple. Its soothing properties help alleviate inflammation and redness associated with acne. Application method. Mix 2 teaspoons of Besan with 1 teaspoon of curd to form a thick paste. Add 2 drops of lemon juice and a pinch of turmeric powder to the mixture and blend well. Apply the paste to cleansed face and neck, allowing it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Gently rub off the dried face pack using warm water to remove dead cells, followed by a splash of cold water for a refreshing finish. Quick tip: this face pack not only removes oil but also exfoliates, promoting healthier skin. In embracing these simple yet effective DIY treatments, individuals with oily skin can take proactive steps towards managing breakouts and achieving clearer, healthier skin. By incorporating these remedies into their skincare routines, they empower themselves to address acne concerns naturally and confidently, transforming their skincare journey into one of empowerment and self-care.